Oh, where is he? Hello, friend. Are you there? I guess he's not here. Look there. He had left something on the table. Let me see it. Oh, it says, tried to find me. Oh, he is hiding somewhere. How do I find him? Hey, look there on the table. Let me read that one too. Hey, it says, it's a greeny lizard. Tried to find me. Children, it is an iguana. Come, let's find iguana. Hooray! There it is. Iguana. Hello, Mr. Iguana. Do you have a clue for me?
Yes, here it is. It's a greeny worm. Tried to find me.
Thank you, Mr. Iguana. I guess it is an inchworm. Inchworm. Come, let's find him. Hooray! There he is. Inchworm. Hello, Mr. Inchworm. Do you have a clue for me?
It's a tiny animal with tiny legs and wings. Tried to find me.
Thank you, Mr. Inchworm.
Welcome.
Children, now we have to find the insect. Insect. Where do I find an insect? Oh, here it is. Look, it's flying. Mr. Insect, do you have a clue for me?
Behind the igloo.
Hooray, we have found you.
Ria, you're intelligent.
Thank you. It was a wonderful experience.
I'm innovative. I'm impeccable.